Most people think becoming a millionaire requires winning the lottery, landing a six-figure job, or having rich parents. But what if I told you that skipping just one coffee shop visit per day, saving a mere $5, could transform you into a millionaire? And no, I'm not talking about some get-rich-quick scheme. Meet Ronald Red, a janitor and gas station attendant who never earned more than minimum wage, yet left behind an $8 million fortune when he passed away. Or consider the countless school teachers across America who've retired with million-dollar portfolios, all while earning modest salaries their entire careers. Here's the brutal truth. If you stuff $5 under your mattress every single day, you'll need 548 years to reach $1 million. Obviously, that's not going to work, but there's a different path. One that can turn your daily $5 into over $1.4 million in just 45 years. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how this works, address the two biggest objections you probably have right now, and give you a step-by-step strategy that requires zero financial expertise, just consistency and patience. Let's dive in. So how does $5 a day become $1.4 million? It's not magic, it's mathematics. When you invest that $5 daily in the stock market, you're not just saving $1,825 per year, you're putting your money to work, earning an average return of about 10% annually, which is what the market has delivered historically over long periods. Here's what happens. After 10 years, your $18,250 in contributions has grown to around $31,000. After 20 years, you've contributed $36,500, but your account is worth over $126,000. By year 30, your $54,750 in contributions has exploded to nearly $340,000. And after 45 years, your $82,125 total investment has become $1.4 million. The secret ingredient? Compound interest. Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. Now I know what you're thinking. First objection, where am I supposed to get a guaranteed 10% return? That sounds too good to be true. Fair question. I'm not talking about guaranteed returns. Nothing in investing is guaranteed. But the S&P 500, which tracks America's 500 largest companies, has averaged about 10% annually over the past 90 years. Yes, there are bad years, even bad decades, but over long periods, the market rewards patient investors. Second objection, I don't want to wait 45 years to become a millionaire. I want results now. I get it. But here's the reality check. Those 45 years are going to pass whether you invest or not. You can either reach retirement age with $1.4 million in your account, or you can reach it with nothing but regrets. The choice is yours, and the clock is already ticking. But let's address the elephant in the room. Most people don't invest because they think it's complicated, risky, or requires some special knowledge. The truth? Investing can be as simple as setting up a recurring payment. Think of investing like this. Instead of buying a coffee, you're buying tiny pieces of America's most successful companies. When you invest in the stock market, you become a partial owner of businesses like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Google. As these companies grow and profit, so do you. You make money in two ways: dividends, which are quarterly payments companies make to shareholders, and appreciation, which means your shares become more valuable as the company grows. The best part? You don't need to pick individual stocks or become a financial expert.
This is where ETFs come in, exchange-traded funds. Think of an ETF like a basket that holds hundreds or thousands of different stocks. Instead of trying to pick the winners yourself, you buy the entire basket. Two ETFs can give you everything you need: VTI, which owns virtually every publicly traded company in America, and SPY, which tracks the S&P 500. These funds automatically handle everything for you. Here's why ETFs are genius. If one company in the fund goes bankrupt, it gets kicked out and replaced with a better one. You're not betting on individual companies. You're betting on the entire American economy. And historically, that's been a winning bet. With ETFs, you get instant diversification, professional management, and rock-bottom fees. Most charge less than 0.1% annually. That's just $1 for every $1,000 invested. Now let me be crystal clear about something. Your journey to millionaire status won't be a smooth ride.
There will be recessions, market crashes, and years when your account loses money. In 2008, the market dropped 37%. In 2022, it fell 19%. But here's what separates millionaires from everyone else. They understand that market downturns aren't disasters. They're discounts. I want you to remember 3 letters. ABB, always be buying. When everyone else is panicking and selling, successful investors are buying more shares at lower prices. Those market crashes that scare most people, they're your biggest opportunities to accelerate wealth building. So here's your simple action plan. First, open a brokerage account with any major platform. Fidelity, Schwab, or Vanguard are all excellent choices. Second, set up an automatic investment of $5 per day into VTI or SPY. Third, and this is crucial, forget about it. Don't check your account daily. Don't panic when the market drops. Don't get greedy when it soars. Just keep investing that $5 every single day, like clockwork, for decades. Treat this like a bill you must pay, but instead of paying someone else, you're paying your future self. The path to becoming a millionaire isn't complex, but it's not easy either. It requires something most people lack: the discipline to invest consistently and the patience to let time work its magic. Remember Ronald Read, the janitor who became a millionaire? He didn't have any special knowledge or insider information. He just understood one simple truth: small amounts, invested consistently over long periods, create extraordinary wealth. Your $5 a day can become your $1 million future. The question isn't whether this works. The math proves it does. The real question is, will you start today, or will you keep making excuses? The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Start your $5 a day journey today and thank yourself in 45 years.